Good morning, patchworkers, quilters and fellow craft lovers. Here we are at Craft Alive in Canberra, and we're doing a little special walk around this morning looking at all the lovely Canberra Quilters quilts that they've got on display here at the Craft Alive. So I'm just going to walk around. We might point some out, we might just have a look, but we'll try and get them all in for you. So let's take a little look at the first ones as we walk in. Lovely watercolour one. And they've actually got all the, little people who have made them. This one's called Flamingo by Yvonne Williams. Lovely big quilts. Let's walk around and have a look. beautiful quilts we have here at the Canberra Quilters. I've zoned in on a few of them, and let's just to take it in, you need to just take a look at it, look at all the lovely work that's been put into them, the time, the love, a lot of love goes into patchworking, and all the fine art skills. It's also a fun thing to do, so you've got to remember it's very fun to actually patchwork and do a craft that you love. In the description below, I will have a link for the Canberra Quilters, so you'll be able to contact them. If I haven't zoomed in on everybody, there's so many here, I've zoomed in on a few names and everything. But if you'd like to know anything about the quilts, all their information will be linked in the description below. Please follow me on the YouTube, hit that subscribe button because I put many different videos up. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want the notifications. And happy sewing, come and see us. We've got 2 days left here. Come and see us, and you can also check out the lovely quilt display by the Canberra Quilters. Thank you so much, and happy sewing, everyone.